Alrighty, so when you get into the room, this is it. I think I need to close the windows so I can get the light in better. But room tour at Peduase Valley Resort. Welcome. So this is my beautiful room. Yay! Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Right? Ignore me. Anyway, so when you get into the room, there is this beautiful king bed right there. Let's get back here. You can see it. You see? Yeah, I sat on it, so that's why it's a little bit messy, but it was like clean. And then you have your big TV, your breakfast place, and then I have my mini fridge over here. The drinks are free, so yeah, you can get drunk or get cozy with your juice. And then this is the other side, like the sitting area. I kind of like this aesthetic. Look, that's pretty. It's wood carved as a table. That's very pretty. I like that they did local instead of doing Western stuff. And then they have that wall itself is an art. And then I kind of also like the wood or whatever they call it that is around the bed, so you can put curtains, and then if you are on your honeymoon or something, they can make it all fancy for you. And let's do the bathroom first, and I'll take you to the balcony. Okay, so there's a very huge tab over here, and like see, Peduase Valley Resort in Aburi. There we go. They have their signature sitting there, and that's a very big tab right there. You can lay in, relax, get some wine, and then enjoy yourself. And then they gave you a customized robe to also enjoy. And there's this big mirror. See, big mirror to do your makeup and all that. That's nice. And then they give you all the stuff that you need. You have a body lotion. They even gives you a liquid scalp. I don't know, that's some fancy, because usually hotel stuff don't have that much. It's like a personal size, but they give you enough. Ignore this one. This is a gift about someone. So, and then all the necessary stuff you need in a hotel. And then I kind of like this vanity. It's very, very nice. Yeah, it's very nice. Yep. And then again, I still have some gifts and stuff sitting on the floor, and the shoes and everything. Those are gifts for my people. Got the blow dryer over there that you can blow yourself. Ignore my towel. I don't use hotel towels. I always get my own towel. And so that's the first part. And then we have the beautiful rain shower right there. And again, they give you enough shampoo and body wash, so you can do. And then I like the multicolor floor towels combined with the wood, so that is very pretty. Yeah, that's very pretty. From there up down, and then straight up to the bottom. You got your hot and cold water. So yeah, I don't really use the cold water. I don't really use the cold water because it's always warm over here. So you get a lukewarm water anyway, not like a chilly cold. And then Right across it is the bathroom, so you got your toilet over there. Got all the necessities that you need to do your business. So, and then lastly, let me just take you to the balcony. Now we got these huge curtains right there. The same wood carved thing with flowers, and I think that's a light. I don't know. And then you open up the curtains. Tell me you don't want to be here. You see the view? That's the view from my balcony. I'm in the basement, ground floor. No, it's no basement, it's ground floor. So this is what I see from my balcony. And then they got you like a small personal table on the chair so you can relax. And then if you want to go deeper, you can see those chairs over there that you can sit and then really enjoy and have a view. Yeah. Over here, you can't really see the mountains, but you can also see tall trees and everything. Looks pretty and nicer. Anyway. All right, so that is the room tour, okay? Once you love this, visit Peduase Valley Resort in Aburi. And then I will continue on my journey with you guys to see my Ghana vacation.